Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Tag Manager to your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Tag Manager to your LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track your analytics. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Tag Manager, I want to let you know, first off, you had to have already created the property and copied your Google Tag Manager code. If you need help finding your Google Tag Manager code, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you have the code copied to your clipboard. Once you have that, you're going to come in here to your dashboard on LearnWorlds and click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you click there, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, analytics. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the different analytics that you can connect, but you want to look for this one right here, Google Tag Manager, and you want to click on activate. Once you click on activate, you're going to go ahead and paste in your Google Tag Manager code right here. You're not quite finished until you click on the save button here on the top left. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Tag Manager to your LearnWorlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.